Greetings, family and friends. What a pleasure it is to be with you once again, even on my born day, birthday. Let's give you a round of applause. Today, family, I want to speak to you about a serious matter, as my topic explained, enumerate. You go to church, vacation, go visit your auntie, you come home, your home is occupied. You look inside, you see people in there, and you see different furniture even. What do you do? Naturally, you call the police, the popo. The police arrive, they look around, they see no indications of forcible entry. They perhaps speak to the neighbors. They peek through the house and they see people walking around as if they live there. They knock on the door, and the people answers and say, "Well, I have a lease. Here's the lease." They don't open the door; they just show the lease. So at this point in time, 99% of the time, if not 100% of the time, police gonna say it's a civil matter. So what do? Now you got to go get an attorney, or you got to file documents. This process could take months. So what do? Well, as they say in sports, the best defense is a good offense. So today, briefly, I want to give you some proactive steps that you can take to prevent this from happening to you. So let's get at it. Number one, secure the property. Make sure all doors and windows are locked. Check the integrity of your fence, gates, and other access points and repair any weakness. Install security system. Install a home security system with alarms and cameras. Visible cameras can be a deterrent to potential squatters. Regular check in. As a friend, neighbor, or hire professional property manager. Come to regularly check your property, ensure it remains secure and unoccupied. Security lighting. Use outdoor security lighting that is triggered by motion sensors to deter potential squatters. 5. Hold mail and deliveries. A buildup of mail or package can signal that the home is vacant. Arrange for post office to hold your mail or have a trusted person collect it regularly. Keep up appearances. An overgrown yard or unmaintained home can indicate no one is living there. Regularly maintain your property and hire service to do so in your absence if it's your vacation. Turn lights or radio. Time lights or radio. Use time switches for lights or radio to give the impression someone is home. Neighbors help. Inform trusted neighbors, about your absence so they can alert you or the authorities of any suspicious activities. Don't advertise your absence. Stay off of social media about where you are when you're on vacation or that you're leaving your home. Be careful about what you post on social media. Announcing that you're away from home could invite unwanted attention to your vacant property. And 10, and probably most important, insure your property. You might have to get an endorsement or an addition to the policy that you have now. Look and see if it have this. While this doesn't directly present squattering, having a good home insurance policy will ensure you're covered in case of damage or other issues related to a squatter occupying your property. Thanks for listening, family. I will be doing more videos on this because this seems to be becoming a trend across the United States. But in the meantime, remember, if you have legal questions, if you have consumer questions, I'm your guy, 24/7, 365. Thanks a million for listening, and peace out. And happy birthday to me. And be good to yourself and